Alright guys, we're fixing to pull up to the car wash. I've been trying to mess around with this camera a little bit. It keeps turning off, so I gotta figure out what's doing that. It doesn't look like I got power to it either, so I need to figure out what's going on. I have it hooked up to my charger, and I do have a splitter. So I don't know if the splitter is not turned on or what. We'll figure it out. Hopefully it won't turn off while I'm going through the car wash, because I really want some video footage for that. So what I have is a membership to a car wash. It gives me unlimited car wash. It's just going through a machine. You'll see what these guys do at the first of it with the brush, and then I can vacuum it. So you really want to start off your Lyft driving with a very clean vehicle. I drive a Sienna 2017. That means I can drive XL. XL, you get more money if you get a group of people coming and they request XL. You can make a lot more money doing that. Now I don't get that many of them, but when I do, it's decent money. So if you got a vehicle that can do XL, I'd recommend using that, because you get a little bit more money when you do XL. Alright, coming up to the car wash. He scans it. I get to go in. I can do this as much as I want. And it's only about $17.50 a month for this service. So I highly recommend getting something like this. I'm lucky I got one right by my house. So doesn't take much to clean my vehicle every day, and I almost do it every day. So I fill up with gas, I get my car washed, I park over here, and I vacuum out the vehicle. Also make sure I stock my water, my candy I put in the back, and I'll show in another video how I have my set up. I'll show you all my electronics, what I share with my passenger, and every week I'm trying to think of a new way to make this a business, because just driving, you just don't make enough money. I'm telling you, you don't make enough money. So you need secondary sources. So I want to see why my battery is draining so fast on this camera, and why it's not working. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. First, you got to actually turn it on. Alright, we're going in here. The guy's directing me. I'm an expert. I just go straight in. I don't need no help. He's telling me I'm good. Now, what he's going to do is use this brush and do the front, the windshield. Kind of help out the cleaning, because going through a car wash like this, it just doesn't clean as well as a hand cleaning. But for what I need, this works just fine. They get most of it to clean my windshield, and you'll notice my windshield's cracked. All this driving, getting on the freeways, it's like a pinball machine. I'm always getting hit by rocks, breaking the windows, so that's just more maintenance that you have to do. So only making $10 an hour plus your maintenance on your car, you need secondary income sources from this. I'll be going over the next week about everything I've been doing. Try to make this a business, not just be a driver. Here we go to the car wash. I don't know if you can see this yet. I'll show it later on tonight. This is my new iPhone charger. It has LED lighting. You can't really see it right now because it's not dark. You see it a little bit probably. I'll show it tonight. You see it lights up. It's for my customers. They need to charge their phone. It's another thing. Have your chargers for your customers. Have a splitter for your cigarette lighters. So I have multiple splits. I'll post that in the link of the stuff I have in my car so you can buy it. They're cheap. They don't cost that much money. It'll help you get more tips. Alright, just got the soap. Now we're getting rinsed. Then we're going to get dried off. Then we're going to go over here and do some vacuuming. I always use, my seats are leather. So I always clean the leather off before I start my shift. Also makes the car smell better, I think. I always keep some air freshener in the car just in case. You know, some people just stink. They make your car stink. Or you get a dog in here that stinks. You just never know. Smokers, whatever. Yeah, I don't want the car to smell too smelly. I don't want it to smell too perfumey. I just want it to smell decent, nice, clean. The main thing is clean. You want to be clean. Sounds like we're going for a jet engine. So that's the van is clean. Now I'll touch it up with a rag I have when I'm vacuuming. If I see a bad spot on there, I'll just wipe it off myself. Sometimes in the corner, they don't get the corners of the van. It gets kind of dirty. Mud splashes up on it, stuff like that. So we're gonna drive right around here. We're gonna get in one of these vacuum spots. We're going to vacuum up, and then a lot of times I'll turn on while I'm vacuuming. That way I'm back online now. It's 4:03.